Python, most efficient way to get two Boolean property frequencies in a list of objects? I have a user object, with two Boolean properties, like this. I have a list of those objects, called user_list, and I want to get a frequency count for how many objects have a = true, a = false, b = true, and b = false. My initial approach was to use collections.counter, but that requires looping through the list twice. I also thought about just using 4 counters, but that is ugly and doesn't feel Pythonic. Is there a more efficient way to do this? The output can be anything, 4 individual vars, a dict with the values, a list, tuple, whatever, so long as it has those 4 values in it. Thanks in advance!
Why not use 2 counters, and subtract from the length of user_list to find the other 2 values? A_false_count equals len user_list, A_true_count. B_false_count equals len user_list, B_true_count. Explicitly looping like that is probably the most efficient solution time-wise, but if you're looking for something a little more succinct code-wise, you might try filter.
I think using a collections.counter is the right idea, just do it in a more generic way with a single counter and single loop.
I like to use zip and map for this stuff. Update. MapSum, zip tuples, is marginally faster than the for loop on smaller sample sizes, but the for loop scales much better for larger sample sizes. The for loop doesn't gain much performance boost from working over a list of tuples, as do the other methods. Possibly because it's already pretty optimal. Collections.counter is still very slow. Same code with sample size of 1000.
Here's a solution that's close to what you had the first time, except it only iterates over the list once. It creates two counters, iterates over the list, and for each user it updates each counter. The actual step that does the counting is here. It uses the update function to update each counter object. You can do this instead of creating the counter in one line using a generator like you did in your first example. The entire code sample is here.
For one final, please subscribe.